Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the thread lock type because the removal method depends on bond strength. Apply safety gloves and eye protection, then clamp the part so it won't twist. Use a heat gun set to about 200–250 degrees C for blue compounds. Start lower for red and increase gradually. Once heated, you'll soften the adhesive. Do not overheat surrounding materials. After 30 to 60 seconds of steady heat, stop and prepare your pick and wrench so you can act immediately while the compound remains pliable. Once the adhesive is softened, use a small pick or dental tool to start breaking the bond along the thread flanks. Work methodically around the shaft, pry a little, then rotate. Repeating this prevents chunks from rehardening in place. If residue resists, apply a penetrating oil. Make sure to wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to wick in. Then, with a wrench set to steady torque, turn the fastener slowly. Sudden force can shear the bolt. If it moves, continue cleaning the threads as you go. After extraction, remove adhesive remnants using a solvent like isopropyl alcohol or a commercial remover and a brass brush that won't score metal. Make sure to dry the threads completely before inspection. If you find nicks or deformation, chase the threads with a matching tap or die to restore engagement. This prevents future loosening. Finally, use the manufacturer's recommended thread lock type and torque settings when reinstalling, or replace the fastener. If the bolt
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.